welcome to the first episode of 6. This is my cookie series where every week I bake a different type of cookie. This week's cookie is the Snickerdoodle. Snickerdoodles are a soft cookie covered in cinnamon sugar. Fun fact, although the origin of the name is unknown, some believe it came from the German dessert, and excuse my pronunciation, Snickerdoodle. So here, nice cookie. That nice chewy cookie. Got good seasoning from the sugar and the cinnamon, and nice chewy texture from the actual cookie. That'll focus, yeah. Nice and crisp on the outside, nice chewy on the inside. So, week 1, done.